This class is called MARC EED, and EED stands for Exploring Experimental Design.
And then the MARC is for the MA Research Collaborative. We're building airplanes out of cardboard in the design lab. I mean, on that note, it takes longer than I thought it would have to build an airplane that just flies from right here to right there.
You have to have like a lot of patience for this process. Like, it's a little frustrating at times, but it's like really fun too.
Yeah. I love having Amy's the teacher I have for this year for MARC, and I had her last year for bio. And especially for this MARC class, she really lets us kind of get into what we're interested in specifically. So if I did a lot of projects on neuroscience earlier this semester, and I thought that was super interesting, and she makes a space for us to be able to do that, which is so cool.
Yeah, this is my first class with Amy, and I've really enjoyed having her as a teacher. I'm really interested in marine biology, so I've been doing a lot of projects on that, and she's just a great teacher.